Welcome to our ultimate showdown between two of the best countertop ice makers on the market. Today we're diving into the features and benefits of the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver delicious, chewable nugget ice, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, making it the more budget-friendly option compared to the Electactic Ice Maker, which retails for $199. This slight difference could influence your decision if you're looking to save a bit on your purchase. In terms of ice production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker offers an impressive capacity of 35 pounds of ice per day, while the Electactic Ice Maker follows closely behind with a capacity of 34 pounds. This slight edge in production could be crucial for larger gatherings or families who require more ice. One of the standout features of the Electactic Ice Maker is its ultra-quiet operation, rated at just 43 decibels. Unfortunately, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker does not specify its noise level, which could be a consideration for those sensitive to sound in their kitchen environment. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Electactic Ice Makers have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a higher capacity and a lower price, the EUHOMY is your best bet. However, if you prioritize a quieter operation and a stylish design, the Electactic may be worth the extra investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.